So we just discovered this new hack, this new way to make money online using this website right here. And in the first 30 minutes of dealing with it, we made almost 200 bucks. Well, actually, I should say that we made 200 bucks in about 15 minutes because we put our heads together for about 15 minutes, looking over this website, deciding how can we manipulate this? How can we hack this? What is the best way to take advantage of this and make the most money possible? So what we came up with is two different approaches. And by combining those two methods together, we made almost $200 in 15 minutes. All we did was utilize two other websites in conjunction with this one, and everything worked out great. We ended up making a bunch of money. I'm going to show you exactly what we did step by step. I'm going to save you the 15 minutes that we spent figuring it out. I'm going to bring that value right to you. But this is exclusive content, and it is only for the subscribers of Online Moneymaker. So if you haven't subscribed already, hit that red button right now, because I know a lot of you have been watching these videos. We love that, but a lot of you have not been subscribing. So hey, do yourself a favor, do me a favor, do us a favor, do the world a favor, subscribe now. So this method is gonna work in every country on planet Earth. No matter where you live, this is gonna work for you. The first one I'm gonna show you is gonna cost you no money. It's completely free. The next method I'm going to show you is going to be an upfront investment on your part of about $13 US. So if you can handle that, then you are good to go. So we're going to mainly be working with this site here. It's called socialtradia.com, socialtradia.com. And this is where you can buy or sell Instagram accounts that are already juiced up. They already got followers, and as you can see, we can buy anything from 2,000 followers to over 100,000 followers. Some of these got nearly 500,000 followers on it. Right here, this one's got over 500,000, and you can see they're trying to sell this one for 2,500 bucks. But if you have an Instagram account with that many followers, you're basically gonna make money right away. You're gonna monetize it in many different ways right off the bat. So you can buy Instagram accounts such as Super Hotties right here. Look at this Super Hottie. Look at that behind. You can buy Hosi Girls. They've already got 9,000 followers. Kunda Kamor right here. Look at this right here. I mean, you could just spend a bunch of time, and don't do this. You can waste a bunch of time just looking at these accounts, because some of them are pretty funny, let me tell you. Oh, by the way, you got to watch this video until the end, because there's a mistake you can make on this site that will get you banned for life, and you will never be able to make money here again. So trust me, you want to avoid this one thing that I'm going to reveal to you at the end of the video. So here's money-making method number one, the first thing we did. You want to come here to followers, and we want to be in the accounts that have 2,000 to 5,000 followers right here. And the reason for that is because there's a large price jump. The amount these people are charging for their accounts, there's a large price jump between, oh, this person wants me to leave them a message. Should I just tell them to piss off right now? How about this? Piss? Oh, no, I'm not going to say that. I might get banned. We're already making money on this. And by the way, that's not what's going to get you banned. It's something else, so you still have to watch until the end. But you know what? You don't mind, because you love me. I got a lovely voice, you know? I'm just a friendly guy, and I love all of you. So anyway, money-making opportunity number one. Where was I at here? Okay. So we can see the price difference between 2.3K followers and 4.7K followers. We got this one at 80 bucks. We got this one at 150. That's a difference of $70 right there. So we clicked on one of them to see what's going on. We found my man right here eating what looks like to be some spaghetti or something. That's probably not the picture I would try to sell my Instagram account with, but hey, you go get him, Tiger. But as we read through all this, we saw this at the very bottom. This account is labeled as semi-authentic by our verification team. That means that socialtradia.com does have an algorithm that can tell if these followers are fake or they are bots. So that's important. But lucky for him, and I guess lucky for us, we know a website called Viralracecom, which is where you can buy 100% real Instagram followers. These are not bots. There's plenty of other sites around the internet, and I've talked about a few of them on this channel, where you can buy Instagram followers for pretty damn cheap, but they're bots, you know what I'm saying? And they will get flagged by any type of algorithm or whatever. But Viralrace.com, damn, that's hard to say. Viralrace.com produces real, authentic followers. So 1,000 followers is $12.99. 2,500 is $29.99. You know, you can read, you can see this. But we messaged Spaghetti Face and we said, hey, we just noticed that you could be charging $100 more for your Instagram account with just 1,000 more followers. And we said, for just $50, we can get you 1,000 legit subscribers right now. He said, okay. He PayPal'd us $50. We bought those subscribers for him at $13, so we made $37 right then and there. I just realized I've been saying subscribers. You know why? Because my mind is still on the subscriber situation. You gotta subscribe to the channel right now. See, this cat right here, he wants you to subscribe. Ariana Grande right here, she wants you to subscribe. These 3 dogs right here, they're gonna bite your butt if you do not subscribe to the channel. So we only pulled that once, and that was with Spaghetti Boy. We decided to leave the rest of these for you guys. If you want to try it, you can go through here. Trust me, I don't even know how many pages of these there are, and we're talking about the ones with 2K to 5K subscribers, but I mean, there's more than 58 pages, I know that. So we left those for you. Go through here, message them, tell them you can get them a bunch of subscribers and make them money, and you'll make money, okay? Now I'm going to show you the next thing we did, and this might be obvious. Okay, actually, before we get to that, I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now what's going to get you banned on this website that you need to avoid, because I don't want you to stop this video, then you'll get yourself banned, okay? When you message these, and you want to do this in bulk basically, but if you just copy and paste the same message to every one of these people, that's what's going to get you banned, okay? Social Tradia is going to notice that. They're going to ban your ass right away. So you cannot copy and paste the same message to all these people. Don't do it. I just felt like I had to tell you that right now, because I didn't want you people who I love to go out here and start copying and pasting messages and without finishing the video and getting banned, okay? That's what I do for you. That's a free hug, baby. Okay, so I'll tell you right now what we did. We went out and created basically a fake Instagram account and sold it on here, but it wasn't quite that simple. It is easy, but it wasn't quite that simple, okay? So first thing we did, we wanted to see what some of the higher priced ones were going for, so we stuck around, you know, 20K to 50K, and we can see that you know, this Instagram account right here with almost 50K followers. I finally said followers. This person wants me to message it. Now I'm going to tell him to fuck off. I'm going to say, fuck off. Here we go. I don't even care. Where do I send that? Fuck off. Okay. Delete. So, yeah. So we want to price some of these out, right? All we did was basically weigh the cost of what these people are charging versus what we can buy the real followers for on here, and we discovered that by buying, let's say 10,000 followers at $80, we could go back over here and completely outbid like this guy right here. We didn't do this one in particular, but one similar to this, you know. So while these guys want to charge like $440 for an account with 27 followers, you know, it's about the same thing here, 26 followers. You can spend a fraction of that and charge a fraction of that for your account and sell it pretty damn quick. Now your next question might be, well, where are you getting all the pics? How are you creating an account? Let me show you right now. Can't show you the exact account because we sold it, but I will tell you that it involved cats. It was just an Instagram account about cats because I love cats. You might have met my cat Toby in one of the last videos, but you can get all the free pics you want from 2 different sites, which is where we get them from, Pixabay and Pexels. So that should be easy to remember. Pexels.com, Pixabay.com. Just type in, let's say, cats right here, and you should see all kinds of good photos come up. See, these are all Instagram worthy. You know what I'm saying? So you got to spend a little time. You can make more money creating the let's call it a phantom Instagram account than you can for offering to get other Instagram accounts more followers. You know what I'm saying? That's how we made almost $200. But just go to either Pixabay or Pexels.com. Choose your theme. It doesn't have to be about cats, obviously. Oh, hug. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what comes up when it says hug. Oh, there we go. Wait. Look at, wait. Stop. Hold on. Sorry, I'm cursing today. Jeez, what's wrong with my mouth? See this guy right here? That is so cute. Put that on Instagram. Pump it up with about 50,000 followers and make about $300. So now just subscribe to Online Moneymaker, like the video, then go back through all the other videos we have, like those, leave a comment, tell me that Toby is cute and you love him, and hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.